Truffles. And this is Kula. Hi, Kula. Kula. Say hi to the camera. Hi, Kula. And this is Hoku. Hi, Hoku. And this is Cody. Cody's 15 years old. And he's actually part wolf, so it's really, really cool. And these guys are soulmates forever. Cody. And this is Cookie. Cookie. Cookie loves the ball. And this is Bogart. Bogart is a Labradoodle. Sophie, Kathleen. This is the Golden Girls right here as they speak. And this is the Golden Girls protector. Walk around here. And this is Coco. 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 And then let's look around. Pitbull. He's always chained up. Dad's real good at the pitbull. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Wow, look at this mean dog. Yeah. Maui pit bulls rock. Okay, what else do we got here? Here's the dog. Here's all the dogs playing. Everybody playing nicely. Hi, Drew.
Hey, how's it?
There's Zoe. Zoe. There's Vegas. Vegas.
She's so nice. Kelly doesn't really care about it.
Vegas.
She'd rather have puppy.
Vegas.
Along the same line.
Oh, look at this pretty German Shepherd. Wow, you're mellow, dude. You're good. And here's Zoe. Zoe's a star. There's Zoe. Hi. Zoe, say hi to the camera. Zoe, say hi to the camera. Zoe, you gotta say hi to the camera. Say hi to Zoe's butt. And then there's Zoe's face. He's the prettiest dog in the whole wide world.
Why? Because of the way the system works, so I'm not tenured.
This is another person. Oh, well, hello. Okay. I'm gonna go to something else. Watch out, I'm gonna air this on Facebook. Here's Kaya. Hi, Kaya. Kaya. Squirrel. Kaya. Kaya's the puppy eater. I'm just joking. Kaya, look. I just tease you guys. There's the pit bull. You are a sweetheart. That's right. And we go back by the dogs. This is a mellow dog park. This is Hawaii Kai. And as you can see, there's a pretty view. There's all the friends. And we got all the guys there in their guy club. And then we got Patty all alone. She's thinking of some business thing. And then we got the younger group. Everybody's got their clique. And then there's the serious doctors and directors. And then we got Coco. Coco is waiting for Dad. There's Mr. Kim playing with the dogs. Kennedy. Hey! Maybe he's deaf. And there's the two pretty little guys. And there, look who came into the park. It's Juice Box. Kennedy, let's go see Juice Box, Kennedy. Hoppa. There's my dog. There's my Hoppa. Wow. Oh, Uncle Mike is here. That's why. Oh, this is a happy clam. Zoe. Truffles. Everybody. Hi, sweetheart. How are you guys? This is the serious clique right here. Businessmen with their dogs. And they're pure breed Labradoodles and street. And he met a friend. Oh, that's Rex. Hi, Rex. Hi, buddy. That's Rex. And then we're going to go visit Mama. This is Mama Karen. We're going to conceal her identity. We're going to show you her feet. And this is Juice Box. This is the prize-winning Juice Box. The only one. To get his autograph, you must come to Hawaii Kai Dog Park to get his paw print and a picture. Right, Juice Box? There's Max, Papa, and we are making a little live television reality show. Here's a little pug, and I forgot her name. Shame on me. Oh, see, see the little growling? That's just dog park, everybody. So who doesn't like dog park? There's just little growling, but they talk. How are you, Mama? You good? Doing good? You look great. You look great. Hi, Juice Box. You taking care of Mama? If you ever need my help, you let me know, okay? For anything, you know. Your daughters aren't home, or yeah, you let me know if you need it. You have my number, right? Yeah. You call me now. Rain, sun, shine, snow, you let me know. And there are the rock stars of the park. That's Karen and Mike with their two beautiful dogs. And they are, hi there, Sweepy. They are gone with the wind. Little sheepdogs. There's Josie. And there's Max taking a dump. I don't know, is this rated R? We didn't see it. There's Vegas. Hi, Vegas. Okay, Max. Vegas. Vegas. Wow, look at everybody. This is Hawaii Kai Park. And it's the best place to come to make new friends. We have really great people here. And as you can see, it's very mellow. So please come visit Hawaii Kai. And see, we even have a vicious looking pit bull, but he's being held back by his great owner. His owner takes great pride in holding his dog, so it's safe for everybody. Hello there, German Shepherd. We even have a mellow German Shepherd. That's odd, but it's real. Wowee. I'm sorry, I'm acting like a goofball.
It's all good.
Yeah, look at everybody. Hop, are you gonna close this video down for Thirsty Thursdays at the dog park? Everybody's dog bar's open. And this is my friend Patty. Patty, say hello.
No.
Oh, you're gonna be on Facebook. You said no. All your friends are gonna look at you and go, oh, Patty, that's not very business etiquette. And you know, she is the boss of some high profile business stuff, so I can't say the letters though. Okay, so there's Vegas's butt, and there's Hoppa's butt, and they are the ambassadors of the Brown Dog Club. But a very big mixture. Great dogs. Come and see us at Hawaii Kai. We love this park. Aloha.